Hi, this is Klaus at Top Hydraulics. I want to show you today one of the most common problems with the SLK convertible top. That is, you push the button forward, the pump runs, and of course your top is closed already, nothing much happens. But if you pull the button back, you get a flashing light. Very, very likely this simply means that the luggage divider in the trunk is not closed, or that something is dislodged at the micro switch for the luggage divider. So your top isn't working. One simple thing is that the luggage divider in the trunk hasn't been closed, and that means the top won't move. That's easily fixed. Just close the divider, or if the divider is closed, make sure that the wire is attached at the back of the switch. Very common, simple thing. These switches don't normally fail, but they can get dislodged, or it simply gets forgotten to close the luggage divider. Second most common, that will eventually happen to every SLK, is that the fluid level in your pump is going down and down. Most likely you start having stains in the headliner in the front, and it means you have a leak in your hydraulic system. All hydraulic cylinders in this car will eventually fail if they're still the original ones. They typically last about 15 years, a lot less in a hot climate, possibly a little bit longer in a cool climate. What else can go wrong? The pump. If your top moves really slowly, we have a separate video that shows you how to diagnose whether it's the pump or not. At least it gets you on the right track. And otherwise, there's some other micro switches in the system that may be malfunctioning. It's not very common, but it does happen, and we have a separate video on all the micro switches and what to look out for. Typically, micro switches fail only in early model years 98 and 99, and in later ones you only have to worry about them if somebody has messed with your top system before. If you have any questions about your hydraulic system, contact us at Top Hydraulics or info@tophydraulicsinc.com. Find our website, tophydraulics.com. And of course, Top Hydraulics rebuilds all these parts, makes them better than new. That's the pump, the hoses, cylinders, everything, the whole hydraulic system. So no need to despair. If your SLK top isn't working, you can fix it without breaking the bank.